Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna talk about Plum Body Loving Body Care products in Hawaiian Rumba range. So about 2 years back, the brand Plum Goodness launched their body care products under the brand name Plum Body Loving. So with their brand Plum Body Loving, they are spreading a very good message of body positivity. So body positivity means that beauty comes in all sizes, and irrespective of your body size, body type, you are beautiful. So all of the products under this brand is sulfate free, soap free, cruelty free and judgment free. So that was a little bit about this brand, you guys, and now let's just start with the products. The first product I'm going to talk about is this Plum Body Loving Shower Gel, and this comes in a pump packaging like this. It has also got a clip like this, which you can use while you're traveling, so that when you're traveling the product doesn't spill. So the packaging contains 240 ml of product, and the price of this product is 380 rupees. So texture wise, the product is like this, and it has got a gel kind of a texture. Now that I have applied a little bit of water on this, with the foam you can see it foams in a very balanced way, like it does not foam like so much, and it also does not foam like not at all. So this shower gel does not dry your skin at all, and it cleanses your body very well. In my opinion, it is very refreshing to use in summer when you're like sweaty and all. It is also a very good body wash to be used after your workout. In my opinion, this shower gel is gonna suit normal to dry skin very well, and it is also enriched with olive oil and coconut extract, which explains why this is not drying at all on your skin. So the next product I'm gonna talk about is Plum Shower Cream. So this product contains 200 gram of product, and the price of this product is 380 rupees, which is exactly the same price as this shower gel. The product is like this. As you can see, it has got a very creamy texture, and now that I've added water to it, as you can see, it has not foamed that much. So shower creams don't really foam as much as shower gels, but they cleanse your skin, and this one cleanses my skin very well, and it also moisturizes my skin. That is what I love about this product. So ingredient wise, it has got muru butter and Brazilian nut oil in this, which explains the highly moisturization properties this product has got. So I've already used a few tubes of this, but I'm also done with this tube also. I'm really looking forward to use this during the winters. In my opinion, this will suit people with dry skin very well. So the next product I'm gonna talk about is this Plum Body Loving Body Yogurt. This is a product which I've already raved so much about in my best body lotion video. But coming to the video, this comes in a tub packaging like this, and this packaging contains 250 gram of product, and this one costs 525 rupees. And texture wise, this is the texture, you guys. Like, can you see? It has got a very jelly kind of a texture to it. This is so lightweight on your body, and this is a very quick absorbing product, and it is just hydrating, you guys. It is moisturizing. It smells really good as the Hawaiian Rumba range. Ingredient wise, this has got cocoa butter, glycerin and squalene in it, and I do believe that the hydration in this product really comes from the squalene and glycerin in this. And this product is a very lightweight product. This can be used by people with normal or normal to dry skin during the summer very easily. This also says that it really cools down your skin. So yeah, this is a very good moisturizer to be used during the summer. So this is my favorite product in this Plum Body Loving brand, and I have got proof. Yeah, you guys, as you can see, I've already finished 4 tubs of this, and this is my 5th tub, and I have already ordered 2 more. So this is the next product, which is a Plum Body Loving Gel Lotion, and as you can see, it comes in a pump packaging like this, which is very convenient to use also. So this has got 240 ml product in this, and it costs 475 rupees. It has got a texture like this, as you can see. This also has a very gel kind of a texture to it. It is also a very lightweight lotion kind of a thing, but if you want to compare the texture with the body yogurt, in this hand has body yogurt and this one is the gel lotion. So as you can see, body yogurt is a lot more lighter than this one, but you guys, it is very moisturizing. This is a very universal texture and everybody loves this kind of a texture, like people with normal skin, also normal to dry skin people, all of us love this kind of lotion. And it is this product is very moisturizing on your skin. It also absorbs rather quickly on your skin. If you got dry skin, you can just go with it during the summers, and people with normal skin, normal to dry skin, I believe they will be using this during the winters and really loving this. So the next product I'm gonna talk about is this Plum Deodorizing Pit Cream. So this comes in a cute small tub like this. So this product comes with the MRP of 345 rupees. It also has a spatula to take out the product. As you can see, it is a thick cream inside. This is the texture of this product, and when you blend this on your skin, really blends very well. So this is to be used wherever you sweat. Ingredient wise, this does not have aluminum and baking soda in it. Baking soda is something I just do not like in my deodorant, and it has got kaolin clay, green tea oil and some sea minerals in this. I think kaolin clay is the reason why this product absorbs your sweat really well. This will not stop you from sweating, but this will absorb your sweat, and if that's your preference, you will really like using this. So however, personally I use an actual deodorant at night after my shower, but I do use this after my morning shower. So I use this a little bit under my arms, a little bit here and a little bit here. These are the places I sweat. It really makes your perfume or body mist last longer. So this is the next product I'm gonna talk about, and this is the hand cream from Body Loving. The texture of product is like this. It's a little, as you can see, it's a little bit thicker than lotion, and it is very moisturizing. As you can see, it has moisturized my skin, my hands very well. This is not a very quick absorbing hand cream, you guys. So I'll give you a tip here. I like to use my hand cream whenever I wash my hands. So my tip here, you guys, is that when you just washed your hand and then you'll towel dry it, and while your hand is damp, you use the hand cream. That is how you'll get most of every hand cream out there. That is how your hand cream will sink right into your skin. It will feel very moisturizing and not like oily at all on your skin. But coming to the product, this has got shea butter and sunflower oil in this, and shea butter is, as we all know, is very well known for their moisturizing properties. The next product I'm gonna talk about, this one is Plum Body Loving Body Mist. So this one has got 150 ml of product in this, and the MRP of the product is 525 rupees. So it comes in a spray packaging like this. You can see it sprays like, see, very finely. The scent is just beachy kind of a scent to it. This is the kind of smell you'll want to use when you don't like anything overpowering. This scent is just very office appropriate also. Coming to the longevity of the product, it is a body mist, you guys, so it does not last as long as a perfume would, but on me it lasts like 3 to 4 hours. So whenever I'm using this mist on the perfume I'm gonna talk about next, I just use everything in Hawaiian Rumba range. That is the shower gel, body moisturizer, whether I'm using the body lotion or the body yogurt. Then I'll use the pit cream, and this is the last product I use. This is the mist or the perfume, whatever I'm using that day. That is how I get the most longevity out of this product. This is the last product I'm gonna talk about today in this video, and this one is Plum Body Loving Perfume, and this comes in a packaging like this. The actual product comes in a glass bottle like this. And as this is a glass bottle, you can actually use the carton it came with while traveling with it, because it's a glass bottle, you guys, it might just break. Personally, I'll just save it for traveling. Okay, so let's start with the actual product. So this is the most recent launch from Plum Body Loving range. So this product comes in a 50 ml packaging like this, and this one costs 950 rupees. A few weeks ago they put it on pre-order. While it was in pre-order, I just ordered it because I just love the Hawaiian Rumba scent. So this one comes in a spray bottle like this, and see, it has got a very nice sprayer on the top. About the smell, you guys, it is the exact same smell as the body mist and the other products in the Hawaiian Rumba range. And about the longevity, you guys, this lasts much longer than the body mist, and on me it lasts like almost the whole day. I mean, on clothes it lasts much longer. Personally, I use this around 8 o'clock after my bath in the morning, and then I go to the office, and other people can smell this on my body till around 4 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon. But yes, I do agree that this perfume is not as long lasting as so many other perfumes in the market. And the thing is that, you guys, this is a perfume which has MRP of 950 rupees, and on discount you can actually get it for 700 rupees. But those perfumes which last like 24 hours, they are like really expensive, you guys. And personally, I have not been able to buy those perfumes as of now. This one is very budget friendly as when it comes to perfume. So if you want to buy a perfume which is very budget friendly and which also lasts really long, you can buy it without a doubt, and you'll love the smell. So that was a long video for me, you guys. So that was it for the video, you guys. I really hope you liked the video, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Bye guys.